Raj, wake up! It is already 7:30.
5 more minutes, Priya.
Our flight is at 10 o'clock. We are getting late.
What? 7:30? Oh no, why didn't the alarm ring?
It rang. I switched it off and slept again. I have to wake up Mira and Arav too. Mira beta, wake up. Today is our Goa trip.
Mama, it's too early.
Too early? Yesterday you were excited about Goa. You couldn't sleep.
But Mama,
Come on, sleepyhead.
Mama, stop.
Arav, wake up. We are going to see the sea.
The sea, really?
Yes, the beautiful sea with waves and seashells. Yeah, Goa, beach, sandcastle. We're going now?
Yes, I can't wait.
Yes, Captain, but the flight won't wait for us. Let's go!
Adventure!
I'm brushing fast.
Why are holidays always so rushed?
Because adventures need energy!
Raj, please check if all the documents are in your bag.
Okay. Passports, tickets, wallet. Yes, I think everything is here. Priya, where is my blue shirt? I kept it here.
Papa, it's in the washing machine. You washed it last night.
Oh, right. I forgot.
I packed everything by myself. Toy car, superhero, swimming goggles. And where are your clothes?
Mama, we are going to the beach. I don't need many clothes.
So you will stay in wet clothes all 3 days? Maybe not. Come, let's pack properly. 2 shorts, 3 t-shirts, nightwear.
Mama, can I wear slippers everywhere in Goa?
No, sir. Even heroes need proper shoes sometimes.
Attention everyone, final checking.
Yes, boss.
Passports,
Safe and secure.
tickets,
I downloaded them.
mobile chargers,
In my backpack.
sunscreen,
In the big suitcase.
caps.
Near the shoe rack.
Perfect, all set. Power bank, in my handbag. Wait, Arav's teddy bear?
Teddy!
I forgot Teddy.
You can't go to Goa without your best friend.
He was hiding under my pillow.
Now everything is perfect.
Ready? Yes! Terminal 2, please.
Papa, will the sea be very big?
So big that you cannot see the end of it.
Mama, what if I feel scared in the airplane?
It's normal to feel scared. But Papa and I will be with you.
Flying is like sitting in a big bus in the sky.
Okay, I will be brave. Can we collect shells?
Yes, but only small ones.
I also want to try water sports.
Let's see. First, we reach safely.
Stay close. Hold my hand. Good morning. Tickets and IDs, please. 23 kilograms. Perfect.
Good. I was worried.
You're all set. Have a great trip. Thank you so much.
Do they open our bags? No, they can see through a machine.
I hope Teddy's okay.
It's going in, look!
It'll be fine, sweetie.
Yay, green light!
See? All clear.
Got him!
Let's eat something.
Coffee?
Yes, please. This is a wonderful way to start our trip.
It really is. The kids are so excited.
I can't wait to see the big airplanes up close. Me too, and the fluffy clouds.
You will, sweetie. Eat
That's
up
the
now.
spirit.
Now.
I want the window seat.
All right, sweetie. Let's find our row.
This is so exciting. Wow, look at all the buttons.
Need help with that bag?
Click. See? Easy.
So fast. We are flying.
It looks like toys. Snacks?
Yes, please. Wow, cookies. Thank you.
Yay, a snack.
Thanks. That's very kind.
Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks. Enjoy. Papa?
It's just turbulence. Like a bumpy road.
See, everyone is calm, so we are safe.
Okay, I trust you.
Welcome to Goa.
I can see the sea!
Finally.
Finally.
Ready for beaches, sunshine, and fun?
Yes!
Goa, here we come.
I want to build the biggest sandcastle ever.
Calm down, both of you. We still need to pack everything. Raj, did you put the sunscreen in the bag?
Yes, I put 2 bottles.
Good. We need to protect their skin from the sun. Arav, Mira, come here. Let me put your swimming costumes in this bag.
Mama, can I bring my toy boat?
Of course. That's a wonderful idea. You can sail it in the water.
I want to bring my bucket and spade for making sandcastles.
Pack it, princess. Put them in the car. I also packed your colorful beach ball.
I'm also bringing extra towels and dry clothes. Oh, and the first aid kit, just in case.
Mama, why do we need a first aid kit?
Sometimes people get small cuts or scrapes. It's good to be prepared. Did everyone eat breakfast? The beach is 2 hours away.
Yes, Mama. I ate my cereal and a banana. I ate toast with jam.
All right, everyone, put on your hats and get in the car.
I'm ready. I'm wearing my pink hat. And I'm wearing my blue cap with the shark on it.
You both look wonderful. Now, let's go! Yeah. All right, kids, bucket in the car.
Cooler is in. Got the bucket?
Come again.
Arav, do you remember the last time we went to the beach? You were so scared of the waves.
I was not scared. I was just being careful.
There is nothing wrong with being careful, son. The ocean is very powerful.
Will the waves be big today, Papa?
We will see when we get there. If they are too big, you will stay in the shallow water.
Safety first. You both need to promise me that you will not go into the water without Papa or me.
Look! I can see the ocean! There it is!
We are almost there. Just 10 more minutes. Here we are. Everyone out. We need to set up our spot first.
Raj, can you put up the umbrella here? I will spread out these towels.
Arav, can you help Papa hold this pole?
Yes, Papa.
Okay, push it down firmly.
It's in!
Mama, can we go in the water now?
Not yet, sweetheart. First, you both need to change into your swimming clothes. We cannot swim in these regular clothes.
Okay, Mom! Yay!
Your swimming costume is in this bag. Arav, take your swimming shorts.
Yay, thanks!
Mira, here is your swimming costume.
Yay, thank you!
There is a changing room over there. Arav, you go with Papa. Mira, you come with me and do not forget to bring your regular clothes back.
Look, Mama, I am wearing my colorful swimming shorts. And I am wearing my pink swimming costume.
Do I look pretty? You look very pretty, Mira.
All right, let's go to the beach.
Now, before you go in the water, we need to put sunscreen. The sun is very strong today. Hold still, Arav. I need to put sunscreen on your shoulders and back. Close your eyes, Mira. I am putting some on your face now. Good girl. If you do not wear sunscreen, your skin will burn and it will hurt very much.
Can we go in the water now?
Yes, but remember the rules. Stay where we can see you, do not go too deep, and if you feel tired, come back to shore immediately.
Ooh, the water is cold. It tickles my toes.
Let's go in a little deeper. Slowly, slowly, don't rush.
Papa, can we swim now?
You don't know how to swim properly yet, princess. You can float with your swimming ring. Take it from your mom.
Now I can float like a fish. Yes, you can, sweetie.
That's my little fish. Cool, Mira.
All right, let's go back to our spot. We can dry off and have some lunch first.
Good timing. I'm hungry too. Come on, everyone. Here, I made cheese sandwiches and some with jam. Which do you want?
Cheese, please. Here you go.
This is great, Priya.
I'm glad.
These taste delicious. Nothing beats eating lunch at the beach.
Here are some apple slices and juice boxes too. You need to stay hydrated in this heat.
Let's walk along the beach and collect some shells. We can use them to decorate the sandcastle.
Great idea!
Yay, shells! I want to find a big one.
Look over there, children. Can you see those birds? They're called seagulls.
They're flying so high and making loud sounds. Look at this one. It's shaped like a spiral.
That's called a conch shell. It's beautiful.
Papa, what's this? It's hard and looks like a star.
That's a starfish. Well done, Mira. But we should put it back in the water.
I think we have enough shells now. Can we build the castle?
Yes! Let's go back to our spot and create something amazing. All right, first we need to make a big pile of sand. Everyone help me dig and pile it up.
Like this, Papa?
Perfect!
Keep going!
I'm making towers.
Good job, Mira. Make several towers and we'll put them around the main castle.
I'm putting shells on top. Look how pretty.
Beautiful. Let's put some shells along the walls too.
Mama, can we make a moat around the castle?
Excellent idea. A moat is the water channel that goes around a castle. Let's dig one.
I'm filling the moat with water.
Great teamwork, everyone! This is the best sandcastle I've ever seen.
Can we take a picture with it, Mama?
Of course. Everyone gather around the castle. Big smiles.
Oh no, it's becoming dark. Strong wind is starting. We gotta go now.
Get in the car, everyone!
Our beach day is ruined.
It's okay. Sometimes plans don't go the way we expect.
I was having so much fun in my sandcastle! It will break!
It's okay, buddy. We can build another one.
Mama, I'm so scared. The wind is too strong.
That's right. We're all together.
Look! The rain is stopping! Really? Can we go back?
Looks like it. Let's wait a minute. I think the storm just took a break. Just like us.
Does that mean beach again?
5 o'clock. We should start packing up.
Come on, help Mama and me pack everything. Arav, you collect the toys.
Before we leave, let's rinse off the sand. There's a shower over there.
All right, now everyone needs to change back into their regular clothes. We can't drive home in wet swimming costumes.
Goodbye, beach! Thank you for a wonderful day. Goodbye, ocean! Goodbye, sandcastle! Papa, I'm tired now.
I know, sweetie.
Me too.
Almost there, kids.
That's normal after a day at the beach. All that swimming and playing in the sun makes you tired. You can sleep in the car on the way home.
Okay, Mommy.
Me too!
All right, family. Let's head home.